Welcome to Movement Charts for another SPY intraday price action recap. To start with, let me add the Monday's price action clip for the continuity of our analysis. SPY today printed another green candle on a daily time frame and closed at an important FIB extension resistance. From this low and this previous all-time high, price closed around this 50% FIB extension of this high and low after rejecting near the 61.8% FIB extension level, and prices far away from the 20 EMA as well as little far away from the 9 EMA, and RSI is above 70%. The chances are high for price to either consolidate or retrace back to test this fair value gap and the daily time frame or the 9 EMA before moving further to test 763 or 767 levels. Yesterday I did not post the video because it was just a consolidation candle and there were no new support or resistance levels created. Like as we saw the clip from the Monday's price action analysis, SPY started pulling back to test the 9 EMA. We will see how it reacts to this liquidity below 9 EMA and the support level of 749 to assess later in the week or earlier next week. This time the price may pull back a little deeper to test 20 EMA or to test this fair value gap on daily time frame, because price is a little far away from the 9 and 20 EMA on weekly time frame, and the RSI also trading above 70 on the weekly time frame. So for it is printing a gravestone doji candle on the weekly time frame, but we have two more trading sessions to go for the week to close. One another reason for a little sharper pullback, because we have this bearish divergence at an important FIB extension between the swing low and swing high, which we discussed on the Monday's price action video. For now, we can have this drawn like this to watch how the price reacts to this trend line support of the rising wick channel. Moving on to the intraday price action analysis. Today's SPY opened gap down right at the 50% of this yesterday's green candle and closed below the support at hourly time frame. Then that support area started acting as a resistance on the lower time frame, like 15 minutes and 5 minutes. As we see in the 5 minutes time frame, once the support level is broken impulsively on the downside, that started acting as a resistance and formed a double bottom, the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here and here, which led the price move down to 753.8 from 756.2. Then for the rest of the day, price consolidated within this range, but it printed a bearish inside bar at this resistance level again, which led the price to drop from this resistance level to the support level of this zone. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame for the support and resistance levels, price took support of the 200 SMA on 15 minutes time frame after rejecting from the 20 EMA on 15 minutes time frame. Looks like it formed the head and shoulder pattern. If the price open below this support level tomorrow, then we have support at 752 and followed by we have at 751 and this fair value gap, followed by we have support at 748.65 level on the 15 minutes time frame. Resistance, we have this overhead resistance around 756 and this resistance which it broke down today around 756.8, Also, we have this 20 EMA on the 15 minutes time frame as a resistance. Let's get this drawn to see how it reacts to this trend line on the 15 minutes time frame. Looking at the hourly time frame, this may act as a resistance if it opens the gap down. We have this support at 752 as well as this one at 751 level. And we have this fair value gap also on the hourly time frame to act as a support in the coming sessions. Followed by we have support at 748.7. Thank you so much for watching.